First example, we have to realize that we have the same base in the numerator and in the denominator. Okay, x is my one of the bases and y is the second base. I have to keep x and subtract the exponents. I have 5 over 9 minus 2 over 9. Next I have y 2 over 7 minus 9 over 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. That's why I have x 3 over 9. And I have y 2 minus 9 is negative 7 over 7. So this is going to be equal x. 3 and 9 I can reduce by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 over 3. Y negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. Because I have negative exponent in this expression, I'm going to convert this to fraction. And in order to convert negative exponent to positive, I have to take this expression and bring this down to the denominator. Remember, you can do this operation only when you have multiplication. So this is going to be equal x to power 1/3 over y. This is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Anytime we have the same base and division, we have to keep the base and subtract the exponents. I have 2, I'm going to convert 2 to fraction because I have a fraction in the denominator, minus negative 4 over 3. Y minus 7 over 4 minus negative 3 over 4. Next, perform the multiplication. Negative times negative is positive. Negative times negative is positive. That's why I'm going to have x 2 over 1 plus 4 over 3. And I have y minus 7 over 4 plus 3 over 4 equals x, common denominator for 1 and 3 is 3. That's why I have 3 over here. By what number I have to multiply 1 to get 3? I have to multiply by 3. Whatever I did for the denominator, I have to do also for the numerator. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. And I have y minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 over 4. This is going to be equal x. 6 plus 4 gives me 10 over 3. Y negative 1. Because I have negative exponent, I'm going to convert the whole expression to fraction. And in order to convert this negative exponent to positive, I'm supposed to bring this expression down to the denominator. Remember, you can do this only for multiplication. That's why I'm going to have x 10 over 3 over y. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have the same base. I have x and x. I'm going to keep the base and subtract the exponents first. That's why I have 3 and 1/6 times x 3/4 minus 1/4, and everything is raised to power minus 12. I have 3 and 1/6 times 3 minus 1 gives me 2. Okay, and everything is raised to power negative 12. Okay? Next, what I'm going to do, I can reduce this fraction, or I can simply multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. Okay, so take a look what I'm going to have. I have 3, 1/6 times negative 12/1, and I have x. I have 2 and 4. I can reduce this fraction by 2. That's why I'm going to have 1/2 times negative 12/1. This is going to be equal 6 and 12. Okay, we can reduce. I'm going to have 3 to power negative 2, and I have x to power, I have 2 and negative 12, negative 6. Because I have negative exponents, I'm going to convert this expression to fraction. I'm going to write over 1. So every single expression which has negative exponent in the numerator, I'm going to bring down to the denominator. And my answer is going to be 1/3 to the second power x to the 6, where 3 to the second power is equal 9. So 1/9x to the 6th power. This is the solution to my problem.